everyone, my name is Kelly, and this is a tutorial for how to play the song Jailhouse Rock by Elvis Presley. In the original recording, they tuned down a half step or E-flat tuning, and for this video, we're going to remain in standard tuning. Just know that either way, you're going to play the song the exact same way. Now, this is a pretty basic song, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's easy. The song is made up of two parts, a verse and a refrain. The song will alternate between the verse and the refrain for the entire song, I think a total of 5 times, and then there's a fade out on the end. The first part of the song is the intro, which is the same as the verse. It sounds like this. We're going to play 2 different chords. One is called D sharp major, and the other is E major. It's the exact same shape. It's a bar chord. To be specific, it's the A-shaped bar chord. So what it looks like is this. You play the 6th fret on the 5th string with your pointer finger, and then you're going to bar across the 4th, the 3rd, and the 2nd string with your ring finger. You kind of like flatten them down. And we avoid the 6th string and the 1st string. That chord is kind of tricky. And if you're not used to playing bar chords, or it just seems too difficult to do a bar with your ring finger like this, you can use these 3 fingers in a row. It's kind of a stretch. You can also just play a power chord like this, 6 and 8. Or you can do a 3-string power chord like this. In the intro, you're going to play the pattern 2 times, and then when Elvis starts singing, that's the first verse, you play an additional 4 times. Let's try playing the pattern 4 times. And on the last time, you're just going to hold. That brings us into the refrain, which sounds like this. At the end of that refrain, it kind of cuts off at the very end and goes directly back into the verse. I'll show you how to do that in a sec. The refrain is basically a repeating riff. It's kind of like a blues form. You'll see, we're going to start on the 5th string open like this. We're going to go 0, 0, 4, 4, and then down a string to the 4th string, 2, 2, 4, 2, and then we'll repeat that, 0, 0, 4, 4, down a string, 2, 2, 4, 2. Then we're going to go up a string to the 6th string. We're going to do the exact same pattern. 0, 0, 4, 4, down a string, 2, 2, 4, 2, repeat. Then we're going to do the next pattern once, which is to play 2, 2 on the 5th string, 6, 6, same string, down a string, 4, 4, 6, 4. Let's try that again. 2, 2, 6, 6, down a string, 4, 4, 6, 4. Then we play the 5th string open, that same riff that we started with. 0, 0, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, but you only play it 1 time. Then you're going to play the riff on the 6th string again. Then we just do like part of the riff and then break away back into the verse. The part of the riff sounds like this. 0, 0, 4, 4, 2. You can alternate pick or just pick down for the refrain, whatever works for you. I like to do alternate picking because it's kind of fast. But you could certainly pick that all down if you were fast enough. So you're going to alternate between the verse and the refrain 5 times. There's also a solo in the middle section. I'm not going to get into details about that in this video because I want to keep this video short. Perhaps I'll do a video on the solo later. Just know that in the solo section, you can just play another refrain. So at the very end of the song, after you do the refrain, instead of going back to the verse like that, you can just go into this. It would sound like this coming out of the last refrain. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. I hope that it was helpful for you. Please leave me a comment below if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them for you.